Singing in the Rain by Malhar Kumar and Manisha Chaudhry. Sukhiya Kaka lived in a village called Bitauna. All over Rajasthan, Bitauna was well known for its great singers. No celebration was complete without Sukhiya Kaka's sweet songs. Today, Sukhiya Kaka had been invited to a village called Jhalaura. Sukhiya Kaka twirled his big mustache and set off. He was singing raag Malhar with all his strength. Come to me, O rolling clouds, come to me. Come to me, O rolling clouds, come to me. Suddenly, he heard thump, 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 thump. Was someone playing a beat to his song? Dinoo, the dinosaur, came running towards him. Sukhiya Kaka was so happy to see him. You don't get such a big listener every day. Come to me, O rolling clouds, shower me with your raindrops. Sukhiya Kaka and Dinoo sang a duet and did a little dance. The clouds just had to listen to them. Lightning flashed and the wind danced. Dark clouds came rolling in. Sukhiya Kaka and Dinoo laughed with joy. As the rain came pouring down, Sukhiya Kaka and Dinoo shared a small umbrella. Then off they went to Jhalaura, following the smell of yummy samosas, singing all the way.
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.